Hello, welcome to a guide of the different mechanisms involved in using the Sony ZV-E1. Let's start with removing the lens cap. All you need to do is pinch the two buttons on the cap and pull it off. Putting it back on is just as simple. Just pinch, put the cap on, and release. Now let's look at how to remove and reattach the lens. To remove the lens, you must first press down on the button below the lens. Next, with your other hand, gently twist the lens counterclockwise and pull it away. It's important to be very cautious when taking the lens off because doing so exposes the sensor and internals of the camera. Make sure that nothing gets into the opening while removing the lens. To reattach the lens, notice the white mount symbol on the lens. We have to match it up with the white circle on the camera base. Once aligned, simply push it in and twist clockwise until you hear a click. Now we will take a quick look at the touchscreen featured on the camera. It's a very useful tool because of how accessible it is. You can see how it twists and turns to fit your needs and positioning, making it easier to line up the perfect shot. Finally, on the left side of the camera, our access points are housed. To get into these, you must first flip open the covers. Starting at the bottom, we have a micro HDMI input. This can be used to connect things like screens and monitors to the camera to watch a feed on a larger display. To the right is a headphone jack to listen in on the audio on the camera. Going to the middle slot, we have access to the memory card. To enter or eject the card, just press down on it and you'll feel it click in or out. Finally, at the top, we have inputs for external microphones as well as Type-C charging access. That concludes the video on the mechanisms involved with using the Sony ZV-E1. Thanks for watching.